Pretty cool? I think so. We hope there'll be many reasons to love this car, but I'd like to just go through my top 5. So number 1, it's beautiful, or at least I'd like to think so. So what changed this time? You know, I think it was a mutual understanding that good design cannot be created by designers alone. The engineering team's efforts to lower the ride height, lengthen the wheelbase, and increase the tyre size to 19 inches are not exactly logical. But because of that, we were able to take the iconic silhouette of the Prius to the next level. So now it's not only sleek, it's strong and stable. It's not only bold and simple, it's full of surface movement. It's got attitude. But it's not just design that triggers an emotional response. Number 2, it's an EV with an engine, dual power with synergy. The PHV will deliver unparalleled performance thanks to the dual synergy of motor and engine. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 6 seconds. Its EV range has been extended by more than 50% compared to the current vehicle. In many average usage situations, it is, to all intents and purposes, an EV. Number 3, amazing driving dynamics. You know, the TNGA platform has matured, and the driving dynamics will not let you down. We've achieved a lower center of gravity, even with the larger diameter tires, and by increasing the rigidity of the body, we've achieved firm and stable response in straight lines and easy line tracking in corners according to the driver's intention. Now this, combined with the latest powertrain, well, the result is an even more captivating driving experience. Number 4, digitization and quality. You know, in this day and age, a superior integrated digital experience should not be ignored. Not only has a 12.3-inch center screen been adopted, but the layout is such that the digital environment enhances rather than detracts from the driving experience. Combined with high material quality and innovative illumination, we've made the interior user experience a captivating one. And number 5, yes, it's still the most efficient hybrid vehicle in its class in the world.